Everybody, this is Lady B once again, and I messed up. I was doing this video, instead of putting it on pause, I pushed stop. So anyhow, I'm making potato cakes out of the mashed potatoes that I had left over from yesterday. I'll tell you what I've got in here. I've got 2 whole slices of fried bacon. Fried them really crispy, and I crumbled them up. Put them in here, and I got a tablespoon of flour, 1 egg, half a cup of cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and a half a cup of green onions. Ooh, I think I turned this up too much. See how these look. Turned up the heat so I wouldn't have to have you all to wait. And then I decided I was going to put it on pause. Well, I pushed stop instead of pause. Yep, that's me. And I'm not in the right frame of mind right now. Somebody really special to me has been admitted to the hospital. No, not the virus. But I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. But it is what it is, and I know good Lord above has got this in his hands. He'll take care of it. I've been praying. I've got everybody praying. Now these don't look quite so pretty, but they still taste good. I need to get me a spoon rest. I don't have anything to put my spoons on. And like I said, now it's 10 after 2, and I haven't had any breakfast yet, so this will be my breakfast, I guess. Yesterday I was going to have chicken and dumplings and mashed potatoes and broccoli and cheese, but that's when my friend went into the hospital, and I had lots of leftovers. So I took the chicken and the broth. Instead of making dumplings, I made chicken and noodles. So I had chicken and noodles and mashed potatoes and broccoli and cheese for dinner. And this is the mashed potatoes that are left over. Now I'm going to reach up here and I'm going to push pause. And then I'll bring you back after these are finished. Okay, I'm back. While these last 2 are frying up, they're not quite finished. And this one over here, it folded up on itself because that's why it looks so ugly. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt on it. You can put salt, pepper. I don't use a whole lot of pepper, but you can flavor it however you want. Now let's taste these things and see how it tastes. That was good. Sorry about talking with my mouth full. These are really good. Anyhow, if you got any mashed potatoes left over, do them up. See how your family likes them. My mother used to make them when I was growing up. But I don't remember how she did it. But I know they were good. But I don't remember the ingredients that was in it. But anyhow, I'm going to get off of here. And finish eating some of these. And I will see you all tomorrow. Y'all take care. Stay safe. And we'll see you later. Bye.